Have you ever wondered why KFC's crispy fried chicken tastes exactly the same whether you're eating it in New York, Tokyo, or Mumbai? That perfectly crunchy skin, the juicy inside, the flavor that hits you just right every time. It's not magic, it's precision. In today's video, we're taking you behind the scenes of KFC's massive production system to show you exactly how millions of chicken pieces are made fresh, crispy, and delicious every single day. It all begins not in the kitchen, but on the farm. Each chicken destined to become a KFC legend is raised in a highly controlled modern closed cage system. Here, everything from temperature, humidity, to lighting is perfectly balanced to ensure optimal health and uniform growth. Their diet is carefully crafted too. Corn, rice bran, soybeans, and fish meal provide all the nutrition needed for energy, muscle, and flavor. Clean water is delivered automatically. Once the chickens reach the right weight and health standards, they're transported to a modern processing facility. It's here that hygiene, speed, and consistency come together. The chickens are loaded onto conveyor hooks, and the entire process begins with incredible precision. First, they are dipped in boiling water, not to cook, but to loosen their feathers. This allows machines to pluck them clean without tearing the skin, which is crucial for that flawless presentation. Next, the chicken moves to the cutting station. Specialized robotic arms detect the joints with perfect accuracy and cut each part, wings, thighs, drumsticks, with clean, even motions. The breast meat is carefully separated and skinned to reveal that firm, pinkish-white meat that's famously used in KFC's crispy pieces. The organs are removed cleanly with precision drills that ensure the chicken's body remains intact and unharmed, all while maintaining strict hygiene. Now comes the magic, marination. Each chicken piece is soaked in KFC's legendary, top-secret marinade. This isn't your average spice mix. It's a unique blend of herbs and spices that's been guarded for decades. The meat absorbs the flavor slowly, allowing every bite to taste as good as the last. Once marinated, the chicken is tossed in seasoned flour. But it's not just any coating technique. Workers use a special twisting motion that creates those uneven ridges in the flour layer, the key to that extra crispy crunch. With the coating done, the chicken is dropped into vats of boiling oil at exactly 180 degrees Celsius. The outer layer begins to sizzle immediately, locking in moisture while crisping up the surface. Within minutes, the pale raw meat transforms into that iconic golden brown crust we all know and love. Each piece is cooked to perfection. No burnt edges, no undercooked parts, just the ideal balance of texture and flavor. But the process doesn't end there. After frying, every piece goes through a visual quality check. Only the best looking, perfectly crispy chicken pieces make it to the final stage. They are then portioned, packed, and sealed, all while still hot, ensuring you get that just fried taste whether you eat it in store or take it home in a bucket. So now that you know the secret, from farm to fryer to your plate, you'll understand just how much goes into every bite of KFC's legendary fried chicken.